Good morning, everybody. I am coming to you today from the city of Appleton, Wisconsin. It is at this location at this what's it called? It is at this location in Appleton at the Scheels USA Youth Sports Complex that we are going to begin the Apple Creek Trail. The Apple Creek Trail is a short 4-mile trail in Appleton, Wisconsin. We are in the area to try a variety of the trails in this area. This is the first one for this morning. I believe this trail is paved the entire way, so it's going to make an 8-mile round trip, and we're going to come right back here. When I looked up this trail on TrailLink, they said the best place to park was in fact this youth sports complex here. As you could see, they have some big event going on right now, so their parking, which is normally free, currently costs money. We are unable to get a parking spot here. So I asked the lady what she recommends, and she said, well, you could just go around the complex, and if you could see way back there, you can see cars parked on the street. Well, one of those cars is ours. So you could just park on the street for free. It looked like a good place to start the trail from. So that's where we're going to start the trail from today. We are going to head west first, so we're just going to go to the end of the trail and back. We're going to shoot right past this youth sports complex, shoot down this way, take it to the end of the trail, and then make our way back. Let's take a look at the trail on a map. So we're more or less in the middle here. The trail runs a little north, a little south, but mainly an east-west trail. So we're going to head west, as I said, and then shoot right back and head to the end and make our way back. So let's get started. So a very quick 2.2 miles later, we've arrived on the western end of the Apple Creek Trail at Meade Street. It just comes out right here. They have a bike crossing up this way here to get into that neighborhood. This is a little wider, so this is definitely rideable as a trail. Not exactly sure where it goes, but it wasn't one of the ones we were looking at today. They have a garbage can and a bench. Not much else here at the western end of the trail. And it's looks like the same sign we saw earlier. So all that's left for us to do is shoot back east, make our way past that youth sports complex to the eastern end of the trail and check that out. Since we're passing by, I figured I might as well stop, point this out. They got bike tools here. They got a bench over this way. I also see a garbage can and a porta potty, so that's good. All right, the eastern end of this trail comes out here at County Highway JJ. Sign for the Apple Creek over here. This is right by Apple Creek Self-Storage. The quality of the trail is pretty decent. There's spots, of course, that they could fix, but otherwise, this makes for a really decent neighborhood trail. Round trip of it will make 8 miles out of it. And if you start basically in the center at the youth sports complex, you start with a big parking lot normally, unless there's a big event going on apparently. At the end here, they do have a picnic table and a bench. There's no garbage can or porta potty here though. But all that's left to do at this point is just make our way back to that youth sports complex. All right, so we saw this on the way to the end of the trail, so I just wanted to check it out a little closer here. I've definitely never seen anything like this on a trail before. Like bundt cake pans? Nice. Pretty cool. We've been on a lot of trails and I've never come across anything like this, so that definitely begs the question, have you guys seen anything like this on any trails before, or is this unique to this trail? Let me know in the comments below because I'd be interested to see if you guys have seen anything like this. All right, so as you saw, we made our way back to the Scheels USA Youth Sports Complex. We just pulled off a little further down just to get out of the way. It still feels a little weird to do a video in front of that many people. But I stopped here because I just wanted to show you, like the parking attendant had told us, you could just park on the street here. There's no cost. If the lot is full, if there's no event going on, you could definitely park here. It's what TrailLink suggested. So this is definitely a nice neighborhood trail. The total ride was, I think, almost exactly 8 miles. Let me know what you think of the trail in the comments below. If you are familiar with this area and you know of a place that's pretty close to this trail, it's easy to get to by bike, definitely let me know in the comments below. There are lots of little trails to explore around Appleton, and we're going to check out a bunch of them today. So this is just stop number 1. So look for future videos coming from Appleton as we explore a bunch of the smaller trails here. As always, if you enjoy this content, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel grow. And that's all I got today from the Apple Creek Trail. I'll catch you on the next ride. Do you have a trail recommendation for me? Let me know in the comments below.